Dirty plastic bags, mixed in with New York's recyclables, are one of the biggest headaches for this plant.
The problem with plastic bags is if you take nice, clean plastic bags back to your supermarket and they bundle them up, they can actually sell that material. So in this case, it's not that the plastic is inherently unrecyclable, it's that the way we get it mixed in, there's a little bit of soda or grit and grime, it's dirty. And right now, there are no facilities in the United States that have the capacity to take in those dirty bags and wash them, dry them, and then make it back into a product. So it's not inherently unrecyclable, it's the lack of infrastructure in the country to do that. We are always looking at other things. I mean, there's a possibility of turning low value or valueless plastic back into fuel, that's a possibility. Or I think, there have been attempts to start up these plastic bag washing operations. But right now, they just don't exist, and the economics is not really driving the development of that capacity.
But there's plenty of plastic that Sunset Park can handle. That's a job for those optical sorters.
This is our first optical sorter. This is really what has changed our industry. What has changed the residential recyclable sorting business is, in the old days, you would have had to run this conveyor very slowly and had dozens of human pickers here picking off the milk jugs or the detergent bottles or the water bottles. These optical sorters operate at a much higher speed, which means I can run this conveyor at a much higher speed, which means I can just put that much more material through the system, occupying the same physical footprint here.
Plastics can be repurposed into new plastic containers, while cartons are pulped and used to make products like tissues or kitchen towels. This processing superhighway handles one of the biggest streams of recycling in North America.
Everything you see in there is really what, in New York City, the recycling program is a little different than other municipalities in that not only are you meant to put tin cans in the recycling bin, you're meant to put in anything that is 50% or more metal. So that includes this little shopping cart, large buckets, ironing board, pipes. Inevitably, unfortunately, some of the plastic bags get entangled with the coat hangers. So that's something that we live with. There's looks like a large toy or something, metal toy just came out.
This pile of scrap metal might be reshaped into anything from a girder to a new car.